What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have a brand new lock styling technique that I created for you guys, especially for the holiday season, called the two-strand bow tie ends. Okay, if you decide to use this lock styling technique in any of your styles, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Okay, listen, 'tis the season, Loc Nation. Let's get into these two-strand bow ties. Once you've completed your two-strand twist and you have secured it with a rubber band, leaving about 3 or 4 inches at the end, okay? And these locks are two different lengths, but that's okay. Most people's locks are. We can go ahead and get started on the lock Nation. Technique. So I've brought you guys down to the bottom of the two-strand, okay? And this is where we're going to be getting into this lock styling technique, all right? So I need you guys to follow me really closely on this one, all right? So the first thing that we're going to do, all right, is we're going to take one part of the rubber band at the bottom of the two-strand, okay? And because you're doing this here, you want to make sure that the rubber band on the bottom of the two-strand isn't very tight, just secure. So once you do that, see I have my thumb in between. I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to flip it right down in the middle, just like so. I'm going to leave my thumb there, just like so. I'm going to take the other one, do the same thing. And I have my thumb there just to hold the rubber band open, just like so, while I, voila, just like so. And that, my friends, is step one. Okay? Now, we are going to get a second. Once you complete step one, like so, we're going to take the end of this here. We're going to come up, just like so. We're going to let that end meet this two-strand here. Okay, we're going to take the other one, bring it up, just like so. Those ends there meeting the two-strand. We want to hold those. We're going to take our second rubber band, okay? And we're going to secure that right at the top, just like so, okay? And I'm going to twist my rubber band once. I'm going to stop here because I want to explain something to you guys and follow me really quickly. These next few rubber band twirls are important, and there's only going to be 3. As you can see, we have 4 loops here, okay? We're going to be creating a X pattern across these rubber bands, okay? So that means I'm going to take the rubber band and come from this corner and come down to the middle of the bottom, okay? Then I'm going to come from this corner at the top here and come down to the middle the same, all right? Follow me. So I have my rubber band. I'm going to twist it. I'm bringing that rubber band forward, okay? We're coming down to the middle, just like so. Okay, I'm going to twist it once. You see that? We're going to come from the top and we're going to come right back down to the middle, just like so. You guys follow me? Just like so. Then the last loop are going to be around the middle, or shall I say the bottom 2. So we're going to loop again, and we're going to grab the 2 bottom ones, bring the rubber band around, just like so. Okay? Hope you guys followed me with that. And that is how you secure it. I'm sorry if the light is reflecting off of this clear elastic. You see the 2 bands here. You can also adjust your loops if you'd like, okay? See if I wanted to make this one bigger or make this one bigger, I could. I could also pull it down a little like so. All right, this is the reason you don't really want your rubber bands to be tight at all, but it's basically done. That is how you do it. That's the first one, and if you've done this correctly, it should just sit flat just like so. All right, I can turn to the side, as you can see. And again, it doesn't matter which side it goes on. See, it's going to be the same shape. It's going to be seamless. And we're going to do another one. All right, we're going to take the end. Okay, we are going to take a piece of the rubber band right at the front. All right, see, creating a little opening. Okay, once we do that, we're going to take one side, we're going to put it right down through the middle, just like so. Leave that rubber band open. We're going to take the other side. We're going to do the same thing, right down in the middle. See? See? I just took it and looped it in. Took it and looped it in. All right. Okay. And that is the first step, as you guys can see. Just like so. Okay. The next step, we're going to get a rubber band. This is a wow factor lock styling technique, so I definitely recommend doing this particular lock styling technique maybe once or twice a year. All right, so once you've done the first step, we're going to take the two tails, all right, and we're flipping them up. See, the two tails, we're going to flip them up, just like so. Right across that top there, the tail, as you can see. We're going to take the other one. We're going to flip it up, just like so. And it kind of creates an X right there, okay? And we're going to take those ends, all right, with that X underneath, as you can see how we did that. All right, once we flip those two tails up, okay, we're going to hold that right there at the front. And you can adjust it with our two index fingers. I meant holding it in between our two fingers. We're going to take our second rubber band and we're going to secure these ends at the top, just like so, making sure that both of those ends are secure. Now I went ahead and looped that twice before I start my X loop. See, and I'm going to twist it. Now again, just to explain to you guys quickly, we have our loops here. And of course, they are not the same size. So again, we're making an X pattern. We're going to start off coming from this corner here. Again, to explain to you guys how we're going to be looping the rubber bands, we have 4 openings. We have this middle opening here, okay? We're going to come from the top down to the middle. Just like so. Then we're going to loop it again. Okay. Then we're going to come from the top down to the middle again. So the rubber band comes around down to the middle. Just like so. Then the very last loop, we're going to grab the bottom too. Just like so. And just bring it right under. Just like so. Okay. And again, you can definitely adjust these if you like. I can pull this down a little bit. See how that end comes down? I can pull this one down a little bit. See that end there? Pull that one down a little bit. Well, I'm not going to force it, but there you have it. Feel free to rewind this video if you'd like to see a do-over of how to do this lock styling technique. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.